Hey, welcome back. If you're a BCA or MCA student, or honestly anyone learning Python, this video is going to save you months of confusion. Today I'm going to walk you through 5 Python projects that you must build before you graduate. Not nice to have. Must build. These aren't random exercises. These are the exact type of projects that get shown in interviews, go on resumes, and prove to any company that you can actually write code. Let's get into it. Project number 1, the Personal Expense Tracker. This is the perfect first project because it feels simple, but it teaches you everything that matters. You'll build a command line app where you can add an expense, give it a category, like a food or a transport, and save it. Then you'll write functions to show a monthly summary, your biggest spending category, and whether you've hit your savings goal. You'll work with CSV or JSON files for saving data. You'll write clean functions. You'll handle errors, like what happens if someone types letters where a number should go. This takes about 3 to 5 days. No libraries needed. Just pure Python. And when you're done, you'll have something you can actually use. Add it to GitHub with a good README, that's your first portfolio project done. Project 2, the Student Result Management System. This one is a classic in BCA/MCA colleges, but most people just copy the code. Don't do that. Build it yourself. Here's what it should do: add a student with name and marks, update those marks, search by name or roll number, calculate grade and percentage, and show a ranked list. The key here is to use SQLite, Python's built-in database. No installation needed. You'll learn how to create tables, insert rows, run queries, and display results. Use classes. Create a student class. This is where object-oriented programming actually makes sense for the first time. Bonus level, add a Tinter GUI. Simple window with buttons. Suddenly it looks like a real application. Time estimate, 5 to 7 days. This is the project most interviewers at smaller companies will recognize immediately. Project 3, a news aggregator with web scraping. This one is impressive. And it's actually fun to build. The idea, write a Python script that goes to 3 or 4 news websites, Times of India, NDTV, BBC, whatever you like, scrapes the headlines, and prints them in a clean organized format grouped by topic. You'll use 2 libraries, requests to fetch the web page, and BeautifulSoup to extract the data from the HTML. The tricky part? Every website has different HTML structure. So you'll need to inspect the page, find the right tags, and pull only what you want. This is exactly the skill that data engineering and back-end jobs want. Take it further, save results to a file, add scheduling so it runs every morning, or use a free news API instead of scraping. Time estimate, 5 to 7 days. Definitely add this to your resume under a projects. So there you go, 3 Python projects done. From scratch. Project 1, Expense Tracker, File Handling, Loops, Real User Logic. Project 2, Student Results System, SQLite Database, OOP, Full CRUD. Project 3, News Aggregator, Web Scraping, BeautifulSoup, Live Data from the Internet. 3 real projects. 3 GitHub repos. 3 skills on your resume that most BCA and MCA students don't have. We still have 2 more to go, and honestly, the best 2 are ahead. Project 4 is the Data Analysis Dashboard, Pandas, Matplotlib, Real Datasets. This one alone can get you shortlisted for data analyst roles. Project 5 is the Flask REST API, the project that turns you from a student into a developer. Here's the truth, 3 projects is already more than most people finish. Most students watch 10 tutorials and build 0 things. You've built 3. That already puts you ahead. Don't wait to finish all 5 before you put them on GitHub. Upload what you have right now. Write a README. Share the link. Start building your profile today. If this series has been useful, drop a like. Comment below, which of the 3 did you build first? I read every comment. Subscribe so you don't miss Project 4 and 5 of full source code, full guide, no shortcuts. See you in the next one. Keep building.